Hello. Today I wanted to show you how to repair your threads. So this is the engine head and it's from this Yanmar, and I have a problem. I got few threads from the exhaust manifold stripped out, so you can see I believe it's this one. Just put it's number 13. You just put socket and it's just spinning. So there is something you can do. First thing, you can buy a longer bolts, as I did, but that didn't help also because the thread is ruined all the way in there. So you have second solution. You have this thread repairing kit, and I got mine from Neo Tools. It's like low budget tool, and inside you have a drill bit, you have a thread, how can I say that? So what do you call that? I'm not sure how do you call that in English. So it's for making new threads, and it says here M8 times 125, but it's not M8, it's actually M9, and you have some new M8 threads. I will show you how to do that. First you put the drill bit into your drill and just drill the old threads out, and you just keep drilling till the end. And that's it. Just need to clean everything with air because it's engine head and you don't want any metal shavings inside your engine. Next you need to retread your hole, and to do that in this set you just get this thread maker. I will call it thread maker, and you still need, I have my other set here, and I still need this handle that will be using it to make thread. So it's not like you just buy that tool and you can go straight away. You still need some other tools, and just try to keep it as straight as possible. Straight as possible. It's kind of difficult with one hand, but I'll do my best. Put some WD-40. Oh yeah, now it's going smooth. And I have another one here. Someone tried to remove it already and they break the bit inside. I'm not sure will I be using that one because it was broken already. I'm not sure what goes there. I just need to fix these that my exhaust manifold screws into, and we are all the way. I need to remove it. Yeah, just use some air. Now you have a bigger thread. Let me get some light so you can see better. So now there are bigger threads inside, and now you just insert that little thread repair. It's kind of it's double threaded, so it's thread outside and inside, and you just, it has a little notch inside there, and then you use this tool. It has a cut, and just put the cut. Let me show that. Look, sits right like that, and just screw it in. You can use some thread locker, and I use it sometimes, but I feel like I don't need to use it here. And just screw it in. After that, they recommend that you break off that little notch that you use to screw it in. And you have another tool to break that off. You just use this and punch it, but I don't do that. It's not necessary. There we go. And new threads are here. Let's try the bolt now. So this is the old bolt. Yes, that's it. And that's done. New threads inside. Cool, I like it. So thank you for watching. I'll repair some others also, and see you on the next one.